On the occasion of a Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, my name is Abhishek Meena and I will representing this PPT on the topic of Mahatma Gandhi. Father of a nation, Mahatma Gandhi, his full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, was born on 2 October 1869 in a Porbandar and died on a 30 January 1948, age of a 78, New Delhi, domination of a India, causes of death by gunshot and momentums of a Gandhiji was Rajghat, Gandhi Smriti and citizenship British Empire 1869 to 1947 and Dominion of India 1947 to 1948. Gandhiji very famous for a, as you can say that a occupation of a Gandhiji was lawyer, anti-colonialist and political atheist. Year active on 1893 to 1948. Era of a Gandhiji was British Raj. Now for leader of a campaigning for Indians independence from the British rule, as you can say that, and notable work for the story of my experiment with truth. Political party of a Gandhiji was Indian National Congress 1920 to 1934 movement. Indian independent movement very famous for the Gandhiji and the spouse by Kasturba Gandhi 1883 died to 1944 children Harliya Manliya Ramdas Devdas parents Karamchand Gandhi father and Putli Bai Gandhi is the Gandhiji of a mother relatives see family of Mahatma Gandhi father-in-law of sons Devdas awards time person of the year 1930 43 president of Indian National Congress in office 1924 to 1925 and success by Sarojini Naidu and born and raised in a Hindu family in coastal Gujarat. Gandhi trained in the law of the Inner Temple, London, and was called to the bar at age 22 in June 1841 after two uncertain years in India where he was unable to start a successful law practice. He moved to South Africa in 1893 to represent an Indian merchant in a lawsuit. He went to live in South Africa for 21 years. It was here that Gandhiji raised a family and first employed novelist district in a campaign of civil rights in 1950 and 45 he returned to India and soon get about organized peasants, farmers and urban laborers to protest against exclusive land tax and discrimination. Assuming leadership of Indian National Congress in 1921, Gandhi led nationwide campaigning for easy poverty, expanding women rights, building religion, ethics, and amity and untouchability, and all about achieving Swaraj or self-rule. Gandhi adopted the short dhoti, oven, and hand pump as a mark of identification with India's rural poor. He began to live in a self-sufficient resident community to eat simple food and undertake long facts as a mean of a both intrusive and political protest and bringing anti-colonial nationalism to the common Indians. Gandhi lead them in challenging the British imposed salt tax with the 14 km to 250 mi Dandi Salt March. As you can say that Gandhiji was a very famous for the some marches. One of that Dandi Salt March in 1930 and he calling for the British to quit India in 1942. Bharat Band Karo is a famous slogan of a Gandhiji. He was a impressed many times and for years in both South Africa and India. Gandhi vision of a independent Indian based on religion was challenged in early 1940s by a Muslim nationalism which demanded a separate homeland for Muslim. With British India in August 1847, British granted independence with the British India Empire was protected to into a dominance. A Hindu majority India and a Muslim majority Pakistan as many displaced Hindus, Muslim and Sikhs made their way to their new lands. Religion violence broke out especially to Punjab and Bengal from the official celebration of independence. Gandhiji visited the affected area attempting to distress in this month following the undertook several hunger strikes to stop the religion violence. The last of these began in Delhi on 12 January 1848 when he was 78, and also had the direct goal to pursuing India to pay out some crisis asset on to Pakistan. All through the government of India retained the religion writer the belief that Gandhi has been resorted in defense of both Pakistan Indian Muslim, especially those beside in Delhi, separate from the Hindu is India. Among these are Nathuram Godse, a militant Hindu nationalist from the western who assaulted Gandhiji by firing their bullets into his chest and interfaith prayer meeting in Delhi on 30 January 1948. Gandhiji's birthday on 2 October on commercial in India. Gandhi and Gandhi Jayanti, a national holiday and worldwide a national day holiday of non-violence. Thank you so much. I am Abhishek Meena representing this PPT, and thank you so much.